Take a ride in the 2013 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, powered driver's seat, XM satellite radio, backup camera, navigation system, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, FWD, premium sound system, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.